Hey guys, how are you? So today I am filming for you a vacation edit vlog. What I'm packing for my vacation. The problem with me is I am a crazy packer. I take with me 3 or 4 suitcases, 1 suitcase for my shoes, 1 suitcase for my handbag. I don't think any normal person travels like me. But I am going to try and limit today for you as much as I can to show you pretty much how a normal person can pack, not crazy Maya. I'm starting off with essentials, what you need. So sometimes I would be packing so many different amazing outfits, glamorous, fabulous. I'll shop like crazy before I travel and I just plan my wardrobe. But then a lot of the times I find myself that, oh my God, we're just doing something super casual, or we're just going out for a walk, or we're just going to a very casual dinner. I don't want to wear my crazy fabulous outfits. I just want to be smart casual. So I'm going to show you that kind of style of packing. So a few essentials and a few pieces that you can dress your essentials up with. So let's start off with the essentials. Okay, let's start off with denims. Denims, of course, your number one go-to, but if it's a hot country, you want to live in your summer dresses, but then denims always look good on the figure. And you can have those really super voluptuous kind of shirts that you can dress up with big earrings with your denims if they're cropped or shorts. So I have here 2 colors. I'm not going for anything dark because in the summer you just want to look colorful and bright all the time. I have these white ones that look amazing on, Bermuda style. These are very in right now. And these light denim shade that look like vintage light denim shade, again, look amazing on. The tops that I'm talking about are these kind of styles, you know, off the shoulder, very Spaniolita, amazing when you have a tan, and just super, super flattering. So I styled these with the white denims and these sandals. And then I've got it in yellow. This is so old. I bought this when I wore it for Joshy's first birthday. I wore it with ripped out denims and like really high nude wedges. So I wore these for Joshy's first birthday and I haven't worn them since. So it would be really nice to wear them again. They're from the same brand. But these are new. I haven't worn this yet. So this I can again wear it with the same Bermuda style white denims, or I can wear it with the light denim just to have like a different style of look. Again, I can go for flats or a bit of fun kind of nudes to go with it. I am packing. So my essential sandals, I'll show you a number of my essential sandals that I'm packing, which I can mix and match with so many different outfits. A denim skirt is a must. This denim skirt, again, I've had after I gave birth to Joshy. So a lot of these things, well, not a lot, a few of them, I'll link them for you below, whatever I can find that I've recently purchased, or if it's old, I'll find an alternative. I love this skirt so much. It's very vintage 70s style. The cut is really nice and lovely. The length is perfect. And this I'm planning to wear with, so I can wear this, the denim skirt with this really cute ruffled top. And it's got bows that you can tie to the side, which is adorable. Or with this black sort of short but not really cropped, with the balloon sleeve style. Again, perfect for the summer, super adorable, and it just really makes the outfit special when it's simple, but then it's a little bit of fun and bow and like girly stuff that makes the outfit. And I can accessorize it with big earrings and have my hair tied and just do fun stuff with it. I've got a number of denim shorts because I live in my denim shorts, and I just, again, love, okay, these are now big on me because you guys know I've been on a diet and I've dropped 3 kilos. So these are already big and they're my favorite, and I only bought them last year, October. So I'm really upset, but I can make it work if I wear it with a belt and again a shirt that I can tie. I'll post a picture so you can see I recently wore it to an event that way and it looked fabulous. I've got these. These are so adorable. They're from this Australian brand that I discovered via Instagram called Steele. I just love the color block stripe that we have here, which is really fun. I know this looks huge, but the style is oversized and I can either tuck it in or out or tie it in a knot. That's a really nice outfit. And again, with flats, these are the sort of essentials that you definitely need when you're traveling. And of course, your fabulous outfits. The type of essential bags that you need, I know I talked about flat bags, but you just have to have a bucket bag, don't you? You've got to have a really fun, pretty bucket bag that accessorizes your outfit. So when I wear this with the black top with the denim skirt, how cute does this look? It just adds so much fun and summer to the look. This came all the way from New York from a brand called Poolside, and I've had it now for a year. I've been trying to wear it, so I'm so excited to be wearing it this summer. The essential bags that I'm taking with me are from By Far. I just love By Far bags. Again, they really accessorize your simple outfit. I recently posted something where I was just wearing denims, trainers, and a top, carrying the By Far bag. It just made the outfit really cool. I think their bags are so cool. And again, they're so light, you can flatten it. How cute is that together? And this bag I chose in green. Again, it's from By Far. I chose this in green because a lot of my clothes have color or not, or they have green in them, or yellow works with green. I seem to have a lot of yellow this summer, and it just looks so cute when I carry it. I added this little scarf on top. I need to cut the tag. I got it from Dolce & Gabbana. I got it from the Mr. Porter sale. Actually, it's so cute. Just accessorized. It's a tiny little scarf, which looks perfect with the adorable crocodile green bag from By Far. Another bag, which is really cute and adorable, I just got from ASOS. I just love the check, and it's green again, and I got it to match with this hair tie, which I can tie into a bow. So when I have my hair tied and I carry this bag, I don't know, like I could wear this for the beach, or I could just wear it for going out. Instead of carrying a diaper bag, I can throw nappies in there if we're going out early for dinner with the boys. And I got these hair clips to match with it. Super cute. My mom actually saw the bag and said, "Oh my god, I have the same exact top. I'll bring it with me to Marbella, and you can wear it, and I'll take a photo of you." So keep a lookout for that photo on Instagram. The kind of outfits that I love, again, for being casual as an essential, are they always include shorts. I just love wearing shorts in the summer when you've got a tan and everything. It looks so cute. This is an outfit I recently got also from Mr. Porter, and I love the style of this. You tie up the top in a knot, and it shows a bit of stomach, which is really stylish. The length of the shorts is really nice, and the style. I could carry it with this bag. How cute. And still keep the little scarf that I tied, which adds a bit of color. And if I want to wear this again, I can wear the shorts by themselves without the matching top, and just with a plain t-shirt, and add lots of like chains if I want to, or just keep it simple, or wear hoops. So I'm thinking of also mixing and matching some things, because if I feel very comfortable in a pair of shorts and I would like to wear it again, then I can just mix and match and carry a different bag, and then it changes the whole look. I can still carry this bag with it and it looks good. It's all about mixing prints. Remember guys, don't forget, we've been at home for too long. Another outfit that, again, I fell in love with and got. Same brand as this green print set. And yeah, and this, again, this has the balloon sleeve style, cropped, super adorable on and girly. I matched it together, and again, I can mix it with something else, with just a plain t-shirt, or I thought I could wear it again, I could wear the shorts again with a cropped simple white top that I got from ASOS. This dress, which I have an exact same one to it in pink that I wore when Givenchy came, and you guys just fell in love with it. I did also link that on my stories. I'll link everything here that you see in the description, so keep checking. It's such an adorable look on. It's so flattering on the body. It's got this detail on the back with the bows, which elevates it into super cuteness. And again, with simple sandals, for just going out for a nice fun dinner, just being really comfy and girly. A lot of these looks materials are either linen or cotton. I just love to be so comfortable in the heat. And this is a linen set that I got. It's from a beach brand. I got it from Matches Fashion called Cala de la Cruz. And I got a number of their bikinis because they're just so cute. So this is so flattering on, and it's got this sort of oversized shirt that you could tie. I could wear this shirt if I want to with my denim shorts that I'm taking with me, or I could wear the trousers just with the bikini and go down to the beach. Again, a super nice look. These are the bikinis that I got from the same brand. They're so nice, and they're all high waist. After having babies, you only want to wear high waist mommies, because it's so much more flattering for our body, and I tried to wear a bikini like I used to wear it, and it just did not work. And I tried so many different bikinis, but I'm finding that what's really flattering is this cut and the super high waist. This is another bikini that is super high waist, which looks really nice on. Or you can get a full suit but have it cut out in certain areas so it looks really flattering on. So these bikinis came with no support here, which I don't really like, because I think it's much more flattering to have some sort of something. So I bought some padding from Amazon, and which I will link below for you guys, and I took them to the tailor and had them add, which makes it a lot more flattering on the figure. Swimming suits. These are really nice swimming suits that I recently got from Aquari. It's a new brand. I just discovered again. Really nice. They look really good on the body. I'll show you what they look like. I love the color of this bikini, and I always have to have a strapless bikini, which is perfect for tanning. That's again low, perfect for tanning. That's for style if we're going to meet friends and I just, you know, want to wear this with like denims. It just looks like a top, or it's again perfect for going on a boat or going to a beach party, a beach club. This kind of look I love. One of your essentials is a beach bag. You want something really light that you can make completely flat when you're packing it in the suitcase. You don't want something that takes space. Look at me talking about space, traveling with 3-4 suitcases. Anyway, but I really try not to take heavy things that take a lot of space. So I just fell in love with this beach bag. I recently got it when I was buying Marcus's birthday present from Vilbecrin, and I just love the towel fabric, so then I can easily wash it when it gets dirty. So you want a fun neon beach bag. essential sandals that I think every woman should pack for her summer vacation is definitely flats that are really nice and light in color. These are really cute because they've got a little bit of a kitten heel and some character. Again, these are really nice and comfy in terms of heel, and they've got the diamantes, so this can elevate your look, and this can keep it casual and really fun and stylish for the summer. You always want to pack with you a pair of wedge, and nude is very good because especially if you've got a lot of loud, colorful outfits like me, this can always work with anything. For me, these sandals are must pack for the summer. I love the silver, which I can always match with my big Alessandra Rich earrings, and the heel is so great. It gives me that, it lengthens my legs when I wear it with a short skirt or shorts. This, again, the polka dot is so much fun. The kitten heel is very comfy.